Ever wondered when to use where and when to use having in SQL? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Imagine you have a sales table and you want to filter your data. Use where to filter rows before any grouping happens, and having to filter groups after you've used an aggregate function. Here, the where clause filters rows where the region is West. It's applied before the data is grouped or aggregated. Here is the result of this query. In this next query, we're grouping data by region and calculating the total sales. The having clause filters out groups where total sales are 20,000 or less. It works after the aggregation step. Here's the result of this query. Recall in the sales table, West sums up to 21,000, East sums up to 27,000, and South sums up to 12,000. Since we are looking for regions that have more than 20,000, only West and East qualify. So remember, use where for filtering rows before grouping, and having for filtering groups after aggregation. And that's the difference between where and having. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.